blog on Squarespace or how to create blog website. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Squarespace to build our own blog and create a website. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps. I do to not make any mistakes, so they provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can easily use the templates to customize it. Firstly, we need to visit our website squarespace.com and then just click on get started in the right top corner. Of course we can log in, but let's click on get started and then just find the opportunity to choose the template. So here in the left side we can choose the type of our template. I'd like to choose blog because in this case we are going to create our blog. So after that, they provide us the opportunity to choose different topics. In this case, I'm going to choose popular design, so just only view the different themes. So we can easily click on build your own template and we can create it from scratch and then just use it. So let's find the design which is suitable as for us. I think this one is pretty good. For example, if our topic is about like food, so if it's like food blog, I'm going to use this template. We can click on preview and then just find how does it looks like on our computer. Yeah, looks pretty good. So let's click on start with this design and we'll come to our manage page. But firstly we need to create an account. I'm going to continue with Google. As for me, this is the most suitable way of how can we deal with our Squarespace account, so it may take a little time. And after that we need to choose the site title. Let it be like help per month, the name of our channel. So you can choose the most suitable as for you. Let's click on continue, and after that some like stuff here, next, and get started. So after that we'll come to this page. It's not like editing page, it's like managing page as I can name it. So as you can see in the left side we have a small menu which depends to our whole website pages, where we can manage our navigation. Here for example we can manage our menu in the header of the website. We can also deal with the wall design or in the design area, so we can easily click on design, and here we can change for example the site styles, which is pretty cool. We can change the font, so we can simply come here and then just choose the font group we need to use. For example, as you can see, I'm changing the only one like button here, and the whole website changes according to our font group. So as for me, it's pretty cool. We can simply find the suitable font as for us, and this is a way even how can we deal with different colors. For example, we can change the palette here, and the wall colors will be changed, so we can easily click on change the palette, and after that it will be successfully changed. We can switch between different templates, and as for me, it's pretty cool. It helps us to customize the website a lot. So this is our paid plans. Let's close it basically. So this is where how can we customize every single part of the website. A little bit later I'll show you how to customize, for example, this picture only. So we can click on done and then just come to the like back to managing page here. As for me, it's pretty cool, so it may take a little time until it will be saved. So we can click on close easily and we'll come to our editor. So here on this page we can deal with every single part of our website. Firstly, it's divided into different sections. For example, this is our header, so if you click on it here, we can change global settings as for our header. This is our like section here. As you can see, we can easily add a section between two different sections. We can just add like for example contact name, people's, like about team, about area, and so on. So pretty easy. Let's add the section about, for example, our company here. So let's go back to edit page, and here we can add for example the contact, or we can add like about. Let's add about page here. So it was successfully added. As you can see, we can change the order of these like sections by simply clicking on these arrows. For example, if we need to move it a little bit down, we can click and it was like replaced with this one here. So this is where how can we deal with the wall section. We can easily add some blocks if we need. For example, like this image here or this text is like for the Squarespace, it's called blog. So we can simply click on add blog and then just choose what would we like to add. There are a lot of options: text, button, form, newsletter, line, and so on. So let's add, for example, button here, and we can simply move it somewhere here where we can change the like what is written here. We can write like send message, something like this. So we can easily add the stuff we want to deal with. We can add some, links where we will this like button lead. We can change the design. So we can easily deal with this stuff here. So as for me, it's pretty good. This is a way how can we deal with every single part of our stuff. We can add, for example, this image, we can replace it, we can just delete if we don't need it. We can add something from our computer, from library, browse from stock images. As for me, it's pretty cool, but we can even use stock images here. So for example, this road from Unsplash will be uploaded in a few seconds. So this is a way of how can we deal with like our website. So if we'll click on save and we'll come back to our managing page, we can find also folders about commerce, which depends to our commerce part. So we can easily find some orders, inventory, and so on here. So easily we can sell something, we can set up our store, use products, payments, and so on. We can also work with marketing, scheduling. For example, if you want to schedule something, we can do it right up here. It may take a little time until everything will be uploaded, but this is where how can we schedule something. For example, here we can easily do this stuff. So we can schedule something using this folder here. Of course, there is like a set library, analytics, profiles, and settings. So on analytics page, we can find a lot of information about our sales, about traffic, about geography, and so on. So we can like sales by products, find the information, purchase funnel, and so on. So this is the way basically of how can we deal with like managing page here. As you can see, they provide us the opportunity to work with it for free, but they also have like paid plans. As you can see, they have like 4 paid plans, like basic, business, basic for commerce, and advanced for commerce. So you can start it for free to decide is it like suitable for you, and after that you can choose the necessary plan. As you can see, business is the most popular. You can find the differences right up here, and the biggest differences is of course in our like professional email from Gmail, premium integration and blocks, complete customization with CSS and JavaScript. So you can decide by your own. So this is a way of how can we deal with Squarespace. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.